Hi, today I'm reviewing Xiaomi Redmi PAD and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound section. Here scroll a little bit more down and we'll see the silent mode section. Just to activate silent mode, click once on the switcher and now silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, click on the silent mode icon, switcher once again, and that's it. Also, I have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts and you'll see here the mute icon. Click on the icon to activate the Wi-Fi and now the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off by the same way, click on the mute icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.